One of the biggest things in my mixes that I've struggled with is harshness. Clients have sent back mixes saying it sounds a bit brittle, a bit fatiguing. I've tried everything. I've tried less distortion, I've tried EQ dips, I've tried dynamic EQs, multiband compression, soothe. I just got this plugin sent to me from Schwabe Digital called HiFAL, and this could be the answer that I've been looking for. So before I show you what this plugin is capable of, let me just quickly show you the GUI, the interface, and how cool it looks. You can resize it like most plugins nowadays, you can resize. So over on this side, you've got the threshold, you've got oversampling, real-time and offline, linear phase or minimum phase. You've got the modes, you've got left and right, or you can switch it to mid and side. And when you click on that, it will change over this side to show how much you're attenuating the signal by. You've got attack fast and slow, release fast and slow. You've got channel link, depending on if you want to link the channels, you can leave it at 50% or 100%, depending on what you want. So if it's a bit unbalanced in your mix and you want to unlink the channels, you can, which is a nice feature. You can also solo the left and the right, and also the mid and side channels as well. Nice. So over in this section, when you're doing a bit of attenuation, you can put into solo. I'll show you in a sec when I show you the examples and what this can do. But you can solo that so you can hear exactly what you're doing. And over here, you've got a nice little, let me just play it so you can see. So at the top there, you've got a nice little range. You can see the range that you're trying to affect. So as we solo the left side, you can hear what you're affecting. And then on the right, you can hear what you're not affecting. And you've also got a trim knob that you can boost back the signal that you attenuated. Over this, you can turn that on and off as well. So over in this side, you've got the parallel limiter section. So you can squeeze and add in some top end using the slider and selecting the frequencies that you want to boost. So with this, you can boost the signal, add some parallel goodness in there, and to the left, it's more dynamic, and to the right is a bit more squashed. So let me show you what this thing can do on vocals. So the vocals for me sound a little bit harsh. So I'm just going to pull down, choose my range. Then solo, I'm going to exaggerate it.
But I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Don't go. Feeling the way that you're moving. Ready, steady, landing those
Yeah, I'm going to
moves.
boost it back with some
Dancing
trim.
my way, I'm gonna lose. Let me make your life like a movie.
And it's really sounding a lot smoother.
Say that you do.
Right, let me just add some parallel limiter to that.
I leave my
Boost it.
Said I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Love the way you whine, just to bust my mind.
And it's giving it like a nice air, to it, which is what I've been after for so long. So let's just hear that in the mix, see how that sounds. I'm feeling your way, fire. You're amazing, said I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Love the way you. For me, that sounds a lot more smooth, a lot more almost buttery, like just nice. Making it sound a bit more expensive. Let's say it again. I'm feeling your way, fire. You're amazing, said I'm feeling you. Can we? I'm feeling your way, fire. You're amazing, I've really exaggerated it. I pushed it by 4.7, but it doesn't feel or sound like it's overbearing, like it's too much. Just gives it a nice sheen on top, which is exactly what I've been looking for. So let's just try it over the whole mix. I'm going to put it on the mix bus. That's just on the vocals. Let's try it on the actual track itself, see what we can come up with, see what we get. I'm feeling your way, fire.
bust my mind. I don't know if it's you or the one. The way you want to bust my mind. But I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Don't go. Feel I'm feeling your way. I ain't fire. You're amazing, one in a million. Said I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Love the way you whine, just to bust my mind. I don't know if it's you or the one. The way you whine, it bust my mind. But I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Don't go. Feeling the way that you live I'm feeling your way. I ain't fire. You're amazing, one in a million. Said I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Love the way you whine, just to bust my mind. I don't know if it's you or the one. The way you whine, it bust my mind. But I'm feeling you. Can we make this real? Don't go.
Yes, lovely. So you can hear how it just makes the top end sound nice, expensive. It's got a nice sheen on there, and it doesn't sound harsh or brittle. So I feel like this might be actually the plugin I've been looking for. I'm excited. I feel like going back to some of my old mixes now. I've got sent a couple of mixes just yesterday, so this is definitely getting slapped on there. Let me just show you another example, and on this mix here that I'm about to release. So I've already put HiFAL on this mix, and I just want to show you on the full mix what this can do. So I'm gonna turn it off and then turn it back on.
Tragedy, when the feeling is gone and you can't hold on no more, you can call that tragedy. I see the morning cry, make the bass hit hard in your chest when they pray on me, that's blasphemy. I wanna come in the dance, hit the migraine, slack me. All of the people, them toast for me. I wanna see all of the girl, them dance for me. I wanna see all of the man, them gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah, I'm chungly. I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy. Everyone's talking about me. Everyone wants to know who is around me. Everyone wants to know who's talking the hardest. Charlie better pop as your fault as an artist. I'm Charlie bad, get used to it. And I'm
What I like about it as well, you see that the S's, the way that the S's sound, it feels like it's almost de-essing them, but it's not de-essing them. Like, I can't even explain it. It's hard to explain. It just feels like it's more natural sounding, smooth sounding. Let's try again.
gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah.
No, let's listen to Trust Me.
Gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah.
Yes, boost.
Gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy,
Yeah.
gun lean. Top girl, like, trust me. Chingy, yeah, I'm chungly. I'm so Malone, yeah, I'm so Bugsy. Everyone's talking about me. Everyone wants to know who is around me. Everyone wants to know who's talking the hardest. Charlie better pop as your fault as an artist. I'm Charlie bad, get used to it. And I'm like, say less. Look, I'm like.
So my first impressions of HiFAL is, it just feels like it's a smarter. A smarter, quicker way to get that sound that I'm after, to get that top end sounded smooth, not brittle, not harsh. So I'm excited now to send out mixes to artists, just to hear the feedback on what they think of the mixes. Hopefully, I feel like I won't be getting feedback saying that it's sounding harsh and brittle, and it's a tool that I'm definitely 1,000,000% adding to my workflow. I don't feel like it's going to replace Soothe 2, because I love using Soothe and Pro Q4 for dynamic EQ. I just feel like this will sit perfectly in the chain to get my mixes sounding a lot more expensive, giving me a lot more confidence when I send them out. So that began on my vocal bus and my main bus. And if you're mixing songs that's got guitars and rocky type stuff, then yeah, try it out for yourself. There's a 30-day trial. Price is good, really good. So if you're like me and you struggle with brittle mixes, harsh vocals, try it out, test it out for yourself. So I'm off to do these new mixes, and I think I can safely say this is a plugin that would be in my desert island picks. and that was a video I done just recently. So if you're interested in seeing what that's about, go check it out. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so others can get to see this video and get to see HiFAL. Yeah, amazing. Lovely plugin. Let me know in the comments what you think of this plugin, if you've heard of it, if you can try it out for yourself. Yeah, let me know. Drop a comment, let me know. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.